Yeah. Okay. My goal is to break the posture. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. He can't sit up because he's got his hands here. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to come behind the elbows. Now it's very difficult to break his posture here. Okay. You have to wait for basically him to make a move. Boom. Now come. Okay. Or even if he keeps his hands here and he goes to like lean forward. Boom. Look, I open the elbows. I grab his head. Now his posture is broken. Now we're going to do what's called a pop triangle. Okay? You've done it before. All you're going to do is just keep one wrist in, see where his hands are. You're going to keep one wrist in. You're going to open your guard and lock over his shoulder. Okay? If you can, and you can keep his posture down, great. You finish your triangle. But chances are from here, this close, he's going to posture. Okay? Too many people, once they posture, they give up on this. They hear and they come back to guard. Okay? Once you lock over the shoulder, even if he postures, okay, I want you to keep the legs. Now look, what becomes weak when he postures? The triangle becomes, he's almost out of the triangle. I can't get the triangle once he postures. But this arm, look how it flaps there. Okay? Come underneath. And bring your hand to the side. Hold the head, and you go for your omoplata. Okay? So, now, you get to the omoplata. He's in a posture up. Yeah. See, you have somebody pretty strong. You try to fight here, he's going to posture up. How do you break a big, strong guy's posture? You can't stay parallel. Okay? What I want you to do is triangle your legs and fishtail this in to his chest. Put your hand on his hip and turn perpendicular. Now if he goes to posture, he's not really stacking me up anymore. His posturing is going that way. I'm this way. Make sense? If I'm here, he could posture. Look. See? Once he postures, I want to triangle, move this in, push off his hip, and turn perpendicular. Okay? Now, what we're going to do from here. Notice how he lifts. You see where my foot is that was on his chest?
Yep.
I'm going to underhook his armpit and grab his hand. Okay, now he's screwed. He's done. There's no way he's getting out of this. Okay? Very difficult. First submission.
Tap.
Second submission. Pull and straighten his leg.
Tap.
Okay? If his knee is up,
Even better.
Look, now he's even worse. Now all I gotta do is straighten my legs.
It's all on the same
All
shoulder.
shoulder lock.
All on the same shoulder.
Yep. Okay, so we're here. Guard. Start off from guard. Okay. Open the elbows. Break the posture. Take a rest. Top triangle. He postures. This becomes weak. Over. Go for your omoplata. He postures. Triangle. Fishtail this into the chest. Push off his hip and get perpendicular. Under. Pull the arm to you. Here. Now he's done.
Tap. Tap.
Okay? Everybody got it?
Let's go for one.